ಆಯ್ತಾ ನೋಡಿ ನಿಮ್ದು 4-1 ಆಗಿದೆ. 100 ಜನ ಸೇರಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಾರೆ ಸರ್.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಜನ ಎಷ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮಹತ್ವದಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ.
ಅದೇ ಸರ್.
Okay, let's start, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ?
Yeah, sir.
ಸರ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗೇನ್ರಿ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
Good evening to one and all. I am Gaura Elamali, working as a lecturer in the KLE Society's Arts and College, Gadag. Indian education system is changing very rapidly nowadays, as you all know that. So the national education system become the global. The education has become the mass education, lifelong prioritical education rather than the one-time formal education for fewer ones. It is changed into learner-centric rather than teacher-centric. And these changes are throwing new demands and pose the challenges into the established education system. So that's why today we have taken a initiative to analyze these challenges and to establish a link with the present scenario by this FDP with our eminent personalities as the resource persons. On this meaningful program, it's our pleasure to welcome you all for this program, and I request Professor M.B. Kolvi sir, our respected principal, to welcome you all for this program. Sir, requesting you to give the welcome speech.
Okay. Please move your mic. Very good afternoon to one and all present who are here. I, Professor M.B. Kolvi, Principal of KLE's Arts and Commerce College, Gadag, welcome you to this online faculty development program in collaboration with Academic Research Group Polar. The KLE Society's Arts and Commerce College, Gadag, has a rich past and bright future. The college was established in the year 1985. We have completed more than 36 years of rewarding service in the field of higher education. Our institution, which offers a wide variety of conventional and need-based courses in the arts and commerce, is the evolving globalized scenario being found in deep-rooted culture of quality higher education. We have maintained an ambience that is ideally suited to the all-round development of the students. Academic endeavors are pursued in a holistic manner to ensure that all the requisite and desirable inputs are provided to the learners. The highly qualified, dedicated, and enterprising staff lead, guide, and support the student community. The college is proud of organizing quality programs that are beneficial to all the stakeholders. In the present scenario, the online platform help all the stakeholders to engage and acquire the required skill and knowledge. Today is the 7th faculty development program on the topic Paradigm Shift in Indian Higher Education, Challenges and Opportunities. It's our privilege that today we have with us Honorable Vice Chancellor of Karnataka State Rural Development and Panchayat Raj University, Professor Vishnukant Chatpalli. Welcome you, sir. And I welcome Sri S.I. Munavali, Director of KLE Society, Belagavi, Chairman LGB Srimati Rajni Patil. Today the event is conducted with support of Chief Mentor of Academic Research Group, Dr. S. Muralidhar sir. Welcome you, sir. For the first day session, Dr. Bhargavi PR, Professor and Director of Seshadripuram College, will be the resource person. I welcome you for this event. I heartily welcome the team of Academic Research Group for this program. I welcome all the resource persons of 7 days FDP who are going to give their deliberations in forthcoming sessions. And I also welcome my dear colleagues and all the participants from various universities and colleges. We are very grateful to have you all in this inaugural ceremony. Education opens the mind, expands the mind, and allows to improve the life. So we all have gathered here on this digital platform with the purpose of sharing knowledge and intellect. Hope you will be benefited by the session. Have a wonderful day. Welcome and all. Thank you. Over to Gaurav.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for welcoming all. Now, I request Dr. Ekemat Madam to introduce today's chief guest, Dr. Vishnukant Chetpalli, sir. But madam?
Hello, madam. Am I audible?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah.
Good evening to all. Highly renowned Kothari Commission had very well articulated and envisioned way back in 1964 that the destiny of India will be shaped in the classrooms of our educational institutions. During the past few decades, certain fundamental changes have taken place in our higher education system. Never before in our history, higher education has received more attention than in the last decade. It is now recognized as the key instrument of socio-economic development. The competitiveness of our economy in the future will largely depend on the innovations and creativity, and the role of higher education is central and pivotal to this process. What matters the most, therefore, is the quality and the relevance of our education, the competence to generate ideas, capacity to transform the society, and that is where we can make a difference. As the teachers, we must inculcate a deep sense of commitment to the power of education and research, which can eventually transform the society for good. The vision of India's new education policy has been crafted to ensure this. It is high time to create a trained workforce of creative, culturally competent, and critically sensitive human capital who can contribute towards every sphere of scientific, cultural, and human development in the country. So, the demands put up by National Education Policy 2020 entail upon all the institutions of higher learning to adopt a more proactive approach for the implementation of this policy. Implementing National Education Policy 2020 and evolving as world-class institutions of higher learning demands a paradigm shift in our mindset, attitude, and enthusiasm, goal setting, as well as ambition. In this perspective, it gives me immense pleasure to share with you that KLE Society Arts and Commerce College Gadag is organizing 7 days online faculty development program on the theme Paradigm Shift in Indian Higher Education, Challenges and Opportunities from 7th to 30th June 2021. Today, we have with us Professor Vishnukant Chetpalli, Vice Chancellor, Karnataka State Rural Development Panchayat Raj University Gadag, as inaugurator for this FDP. It is my privilege to introduce Sir to this FDP. From the beginning of his educational and vocational careers, he has set his heart upon a challenging and growth-oriented career with blend of both knowledge and skill. He has proved himself to be capable of getting into a totally new area and reaching greater heights. He has successfully made a parallel mid-career shift into the areas of teaching, industry, research, and consultation, administration, training, and skill development. He has gained a great deal of expertise and exposure at state level and national level. He has acquired a good understanding of the challenges of education in general and higher education in particular. He has mastered in application oriented and related knowledge and is good at imparting the same as per the contextual demand and societal need. He has procured in-depth experience of handling and developing projects from commencing stage and is known for organization development. He has pursued teaching with passion and completed post-graduation in production management and doctoral studies in business administration and postdoctorate DLIT in strategic shift ecosystem for skilling adolescents. He worked in different capacities as production engineer, special officer at RCU and VTU, consultant professor and dean, PES Bengaluru, director, project coordinator and secretary, Department of Tourism, Bengaluru, visitors nominee, Central University, Orissa, chief coordinator, ICT Cell NAC, UGC nominee for Jai Hind College, Mumbai and KUD and KLE's IMER, Belgavi. Due to the time constraint, I am not able to properly mention about his works. He has excellent administrative and communication skills. He is good in people management and interpersonal relation. He has an analytical mind, innovative thinking ability, a positive attitude, and a lateral thinker. He is good at planning, organizing, human resource development and training, visioning, and motivation. We are lucky to have such a multifaceted personality today. Really, he is the right person for inaugural speech of this FDP. With this brief introduction, I present before you Professor Vishnukant Chetpalli sir. And today we have with us Shri Shankaranna Munvalli, Director, KLE Society, Belagavi. He is the backbone for all programs and events of our college. He is a very dynamic personality. He is a renowned social worker. He believes in the idea of quality education and he is always on his feet for such programs promoting mainly quality education. I am very overwhelmed in introducing him.
Thank you.
I wholeheartedly welcome you, sir.
Thank you.
Also, we have with us Srimati Rajni Patil, Madam, Chairman, Local Governing Body. She lends us great support in all the events and programs. I heartily welcome her to this program. Thank you one and all. Over to Gaura, Madam.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for introducing such a great personality in front of us. Now, I request Vishnukant Chetpalli sir to present their views in front of the participants.
ಆದರಣೀಯರಾದ ಶಂಕರಣ್ಣ ಮುನ್ವಳ್ಳಿ ಅವರೇ, ಆದರಣೀಯರಾದ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ರಜನಿ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಅವರೇ, KLE ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ರಾದ ಮಹಾದೇವ್ ಕೊಳ್ವಿ ಅವರೇ, ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಕ್ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಗ್ರೂಪಿನ ಮೆಂಟರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮುರಳೀಧರ್ ಅವರೇ, ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ಭಾರ್ಗವಿ ಅವರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ಒಂದು ವಾರದ ಫ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಟಿ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ದೇಶದ ಅನೇಕ ಅಧ್ಯಾಪಕರೇ, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ಸ್ KLE ಕಾಲೇಜ್ದವ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಡೀ ದೇಶದ ಜನ KLE ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅಭಿಮಾನ ಮತ್ತು ಗೌರವದಿಂದ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ದೂರದ ವಾರಣಾಸಿ, ಭುವನೇಶ್ವರದಿಂದ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರಾಮ್ ಅದರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್. I am told that this is live in the YouTube and there are now 100 participants here and maybe more participants across the country. I am also seeing the profile of the participants from general colleges, degree colleges to engineering colleges and other colleges. Participants have joined this program. I think this is in-house faculty development, and this institute is doing faculty development program of other colleges also.
ಹಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಹೇಳಿ.
So others are also benefited.
ಓಕೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಐತಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ.
And today the world is moving towards collaboration.
100 ಆದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ಒಬ್ರು ಬರಗ.
And this collaboration aspect, through this program, you have been able to attract participants across the country. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಶಂಕರಣ್ಣ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, KLE ಕಾಲೇಜ್ದವರು ತುಂಬಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. KLE ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ there is inter competition and intra competition. ಒಳಗಡೆನೂ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ಹೊರಗಡೆನೂ ಇದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಹೈಯರ್ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು KLE ಕಾಲೇಜಸ್ನಲ್ಲೂ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ. KLE ಕಾಲೇಜಸ್ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲೇ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟದ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದರ ಕಡೆನೇ ಗಮನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಶಂಕರಣ್ಣ ಅವರು ಮತ್ತು ರಜನಿ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಅವರು ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 2 ವಿಷಯ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಅವಕಾಶ 4 ವರ್ಷ ನನಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತ್ತು. ದೇಶದ 200ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯಗಳು, ಸಾವಿರಾರು ಕಾಲೇಜಸ್ ಇಡೀ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುವಂತ ನೋಡುವಂತ ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತ್ತು. ನಿಮ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗದಗ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಈಗಿರುವಂತ ನ್ಯಾಕ್ ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ನಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತಾದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯಾಕ್ ಗ್ರೇಡು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವಿಷಯ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡುವಂತವ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ವಿ ಆರ್ ನ್ಯಾಕ್ ಗ್ರೇಡೆಡ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಅವರು ನ್ಯಾಕ್ ಗ್ರೇಡೆಡ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಏಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಯಾರು A ಮತ್ತು A+ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅವ್ರ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ ವಿ ಆರ್ A+ ನ್ಯಾಕ್ ಗ್ರೇಡೆಡ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ನ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕನ್ನಡಿ ಇದ್ದ ಹಾಗೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಮಿರರ್ ಇಮೇಜ್. ನಾವು ಏನಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಮಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಮುಂದೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಆಗಲಿ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಇದು ಪ್ರಸ್ತಾವನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್.
ಎರಡನೇ ವಿಷಯ ನಂದು ನಿಮ್ ಗಮನಕ್ಕೆ ತರಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ವಿಷಯ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ದಿ ನ್ಯೂ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ಓವರ್ ದ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಮೂವ್ ಫ್ರಾಮ್ affiliated system to autonomous system. ನಾವೇನು ಇವತ್ತು ಪ್ಯಾರಾಡೈಮ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಆಲೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ನಿಖರವಾಗಿ ವೈ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಮೈಕ್ರೋ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಈಸ್, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ದೇಶದ ಗಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಆದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಕಾಲೇಜು, every college has to look at how this new education policy is going to apply to that college. ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ಇಡೀ ದೇಶಕ್ಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ the only country where you have all types of institutions in the country. ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ we have got central universities, state universities, deemed universities, private universities, subject oriented universities. We have universities for music, we have universities for medical colleges. So the range of colleges and universities in our country is wide range. We have got more than 50,000 colleges in the country. And we have got more than 1,000 universities in the country. Huge population of students are getting educated in these universities. And our spread of education is from metropolitan city, urban areas, semi-urban areas, and ಬೇರೆಯವರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ.
Sorry, sir. Please, all the participants, mute your audio. Please. It's disturbing a lot. Sorry, sir. Thank you.
ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. So the type of colleges, geographical region, and the type of universities and colleges differ in the entire country. ಆದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಒಂದೇ ಇದೆ. ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡು ಗ್ರಾಮೀಣ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಡೆಲ್ಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಕಾಶ್ಮೀರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಶುಗರ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್,
Hello.
ಯಾರ್ದಾದ್ರೂ ಶುಗರು
Hello.
200ಗಿಂತ ಮೇಲಿದ್ರೆ
Hello.
ಅದು ಅಸ್ಸಾಂನಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಗದಗ್ನಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ.
No, madam. It's full.
ಈಗ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ 102 ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ, ಕೊರೋನಾ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ 102 ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ
Okay, ma'am.
ಅದೇ ಆಘಾತ ಆಗುವಂತದ್ದು.
Sorry, ma'am. It's full now.
ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇಡೀ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇರೋದು 98-99 ಬರಬೇಕು.
Okay.
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ 98 ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಗದಗ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಲ್ಕೋಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ 96 ಇದ್ರೆ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
Yeah, okay,
The
ma'am. I am
standards
only admin. I am.
across the country is same.
So I didn't reply.
ಹೀಗಾಗಿ
Yeah,
the
yeah.
new education
You are
policy
in the group, right? Yeah.
is providing
I have given the YouTube live.
standardization for the entire country.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
ಹೀಗಾಗಿ I am more specific for this college for the reason being 35-36 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಮುಂದಿನ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಆದ್ರೆ ದ ನ್ಯೂ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಗಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದೇನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಫ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಫಿಲಿಯೇಟೆಡ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ you are going to become a autonomous college.
No, ma'am. It's
ಡಿಗ್ರಿ
wait,
ಗ್ರಾಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್
Which group you are, ma'am?
ಆಗುವಂತದ್ದು ಆಗಬೇಕು
Yeah, FPP2.
ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು
Okay,
ಹೊಸ
okay.
ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ
I will check.
ನೀತಿಯ ಸಾರ. ಸೊ ಶಂಕರಣ್ಣ ಅವರು, ರಜನಿ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಅವರು, ಕೊಳವಿ ಅವರು, ಆ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಧ್ಯಾಪಕರು ಸೇರಿ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಅಂಶ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ, ಹೊಸ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ನೀತಿ ನಮಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಅನ್ವಯಿಸುತ್ತೆ, how that is going to affect and impact our college ಅನ್ನುವಂತ ವಿಷಯ ನಾವು ಗಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ವಿಷಯ ಬಹಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಡೈಮ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂತ ವಿಷಯವನ್ನ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ದಿ ಟಾಪಿಕ್, ಅಂಡ್ 7 days resource people are going to talk on various different facets of the new education policy. ಇದು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಕಸ್ತೂರಿ ರಂಗನ್ ಕಮಿಟಿ ಅವರು 4 ವರ್ಷ ನಿರಂತರವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪರಿಣಾಮ